Stay together! Don't let go of Maya!
Mom, I can't run anymore. I think the aliens are gonna catch us.
Good morning, sleepyhead. Breakfast is almost ready.
Something smells really good.
Down before it gets cold. Where is your sister? Still sleeping, probably.
Maya! Breakfast!
I am coming. Stop shouting.
Good morning, everyone. Big day today.
What big day? You said that yesterday, too.
Did I?
And the day before.
Well, today I actually mean it. I have a surprise for both of you.
What surprise?
Today we are going to Scotland. I booked everything last night.
Scotland? Really?
Are we flying?
We leave in 2 hours, so eat quickly and pack light.
Yes! Finally, a real trip! I need to pack my whole room.
You are packing one bag, Maya. One small bag.
That is impossible, Mom.
2 hours. Eat your breakfast.
Dad, come here. Look outside.
What is it?
The street. Look at it.
What is it?
The street.
What about it?
It is empty. Completely empty. Mrs. Henderson walks her dog at every single morning. Nobody is there.
Maybe they left early.
Every single person on the street?
Leo, what is happening?
Mom, I do not know. But something is wrong. Look.
Why are all the cars stopped like that? They are just stopped in the middle of the road.
The TV just turned off.
My phone has no signal.
Mine either.
Everyone stay calm. Let us go outside and look.
Wait. Look up. What is that?
Leo, I am scared.
Everyone outside, now! We need to see what that is.
Dad, why is it so quiet? I do not like this.
Stay close to me, all of you.
The whole street is empty. Every house.
Every garden. Look at the supermarket. The doors are open, but nobody is inside.
Hello? Is anyone here?
Nobody answered. This place is completely empty.
Let us keep looking. There has to be someone out there.
Something is definitely wrong.
This doesn't make any sense. The whole city is silent. Honey, don't worry. Maybe everyone is already at work. That is why it looks so quiet.
Mom, I have never seen our street this empty before. I agree with Leo. Something about this does not feel normal.
Mom, even the park is empty. Look.
I have never seen this park so empty.
It feels like the whole world just stopped.
Leo, do you think something took everyone?
I do not know, Maya. But yes, something did.
We stay together. Whatever this is, we face it together.
Wait, look up! What is that?
Dad, it is so big. I am really scared.
Stay close to me. Let us keep moving.
Dad, I think that spaceship is following us.
We have to get out of here now!
Run! Don't stop! Keep moving! Stay together! Don't let go of Maya!
Everyone get back inside! Now!
Go, go, go! Don't stop!
I can't run anymore.
Keep going, Maya! Almost there!
Dad, hurry!
What was that thing in the sky?
A ship. It was a ship. Not from here.
Are they gonna find us?
Maya, come here. Come to me.
We cannot stay here forever. If we want to survive, we need a plan.
You are right. Leo, think. What do we do?
We need information. We need to know what happened to everyone. We need to find other people.
The old radio in the garage. It might still work.
Come on, work. Please work.
Keep trying.
Wait, I hear something.
Emergency broadcast. If you can hear this message, listen carefully. Most of the people on Earth have not been killed. They have been trapped inside a parallel dimension by alien technology. If you want to survive and help free them, go immediately to Blackwood Hill. A resistance group is waiting there. You are not alone. Leave immediately. This may be your only chance.
Leo, is that message real?
It has to be. We have to go.
Jack, what do you think?
I think Leo is right. We have to move.
Pack only what you need. First aid kit, water, warm clothes.
I am taking my stuffed bear.
Maya, we do not have space for—
Let her take the bear, Leo.
Fine, the bear comes.
Leo, you take the radio. Maya, you carry the water bottles. Grace and I will carry everything
look
else.
out the window!
The ship is moving closer. Everyone to the car, now! Go, go, go!
Dad, it is still following us.
I see it. I am going faster.
Jack, careful, the car's in the road!
I see them. Hold on.
Look! It is tilting right above us! Jack, turn left here. No, go right, it's clearer! Just keep moving, we're almost out!
Turn left here. Go through the park. The hill is on the other side. Leo, how do you know where to go? I used to cycle there every weekend with Sam. I know every road between here and that hill.
Is that it? That building on the hill?
Yes, that has to be it. Dad, stop the car. We run from here.
Everyone out. Stay together. Do not stop running.
You made it! Come inside, quickly!
Who are you?
My name is Dr. Sarah Chen. I am a physicist. I have been studying these aliens for 3 years. I knew this was coming, I just did not know when. What happened to everyone? The aliens surrounded the Earth. Everyone outside was pulled into a parallel dimension. They are not dead, they are trapped. The aliens surrounded the Earth. Everyone caught outside was pulled into a parallel dimension. As long as the field is, they cannot come back.
How do we bring them back?
We have to destroy the main reactor on their ship.
If the reactor goes down, the energy field
Collapses and everyone returns. Then that is what we do. It is not that simple. The ship is in the upper atmosphere, and once inside, maybe 10 minutes before they detect us.
Do you have a way up?
I have a small research aircraft, but it is dangerous. Extremely dangerous.
How many people have you got here?
Just me, until now.
Until now. Then it is us. It has to be us.
Leo.
Dad, Sam is out there. Our neighbors are out there. Everyone we know is trapped. We cannot just hide. Leo is right, Jack.
I know he is right. Okay, what do we need to do? We all go, we all come back. Together.
Then I am coming too.
I am coming too.
Put on the suits. We leave in 5 minutes.
Are we really going up there?
Yes. And we are going to be fine.
How do you know?
Because we are going together.
The reactor is here, in the center of the ship. Once we are inside, we need to reach this chamber. The shutdown sequence takes approximately 90 seconds to complete. But the moment we start it, the ship will know we are there. We are inside. Stay low.
It is so big in here.
Which way, Dr. Chen?
This corridor. Follow me. The reactor chamber is at the end.
Something is moving up ahead.
I see it. Everyone stop.
What do we do?
We go around.
This way. Come on.
The door. Open it.
I am trying. Come on. There.
Humans, you should not be here. This ship will be your end.
Silver Suit, go! Take everyone through the door and start the shutdown.
I will hold them here.
Go! Every second matters.
What do we do?
Come back to us.
I will. Now go. Is that all you have got? You took our people. You are not taking anything else. Not today. Not ever. Come on then. Come on!
Here. The reactor core. Grace, help me with this panel. What do I do? Hold this open. Maya, do you see that switch? The red one at the top.
Yes, I see it. That is the shutdown switch.
When I tell you, turn it all the way to the left and hold it. Do not let go until I say.
I will not let go, I promise.
Starting the sequence now. Hold steady. I have it. 30 seconds. 20. 10!
I have it. I am holding it.
Hold it, Maya! Whatever happens, hold it!
I am holding it!
It is done. The reactor is down. Look outside the window. Look at the street below. They are back. Everyone is back.
We did it! We did it! Mom, we did it!
Is it done? Did it work?
Look down, Leo. Look at the world.
They are all back. It worked.
You did it, son.
We did it. All of us.
Leo, you are hurt.
Just a scratch.
Let me see. Leo, Mom, I am fine. Everyone is back. That is all that matters.
Dr. Chen, will they come back?
I do not know. But if they do, now we know we can fight back.
And next time we will be ready.
Can we go home now?
Yes, my love. We can go home.
What about Scotland?
Scotland can wait. Next weekend?
Next weekend, I promise.
He says that every week.
He really does. Mrs. Henderson is walking her dog again.
Mr. Patel just opened his shop.
Everything is back to normal? Do you think they know what happened?
They will figure it out. Or they will think it was a strange dream.
And us? Do we tell anyone?
No, we do not need to. Seeing everyone safe is enough.
Right. Who wants breakfast? I am actually making it this time.
Jack, the last time you cooked,
That was years ago, Grace.
It was 3 weeks ago, Dad.
The eggs were almost fine.
They were gray, Dad.
They were a very light shade of gray. Completely different thing.
everyone sit down. I am making breakfast.
Hey, Maya.
What?
Same time next alien invasion?
Same time next alien invasion.
Here is your first question. What was the family planning to do morning? Is it A, go to the supermarket, B, go to Scotland for a trip, or C, stay at home and rest? You have 5 seconds. All right, time's up. The correct answer is B. The family was planning to go to Scotland. Jack had booked everything the night before, but the aliens had other plans. Question 2. What happened to all the people on Earth? Is it A, they were killed by the aliens, B, they escaped to another country, or C, they were trapped inside a parallel dimension? You have 5 seconds. All right, time's up. The correct answer is C. The aliens trapped everyone inside a parallel dimension. As long as the energy field was active, they could not come back. Question 3. What did Leo do on the alien ship? Is it A, he found the reactor and shut it down himself? Or C, he stayed on the aircraft and waited? You have 5 seconds. All right, time's up. He stood there alone and said, "You are not taking anything else. Not today." That is real courage. Question 4. Someone very brave turned off the reactor switch. Who was it? Is it Dr. Sarah Chen, B, Leo, or C, Maya? You have 5 seconds. All right, time's up. The correct answer is C. She stood on her tiptoes, grabbed that switch with both hands, I promise, and she kept that promise. Last question. What is the lesson of this story? Is it A, aliens are dangerous and we should hide from them? B, and working together can overcome any challenge? Or C, you have 5 seconds. All right, time's up. The correct answer is B. Courage and working together can overcome any challenge. Courage and working together can overcome any challenge. Leo held off the aliens. Maya held the switch. Grace held the panel. Jack held the door. They saved the world. Great work today, everyone. So how many questions did you answer correctly? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this story, and subscribe for more stories every week. We will see you next time.